Hello guys, you have reached Regina TV and today we are talking about texturizers. Look, you better know what you're doing and what your plans are before applying that texturizer to your head. So, let's talk about it. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you... Alright guys, well I be seeing in the comment section down below all of you guys' questions on texturizing. Now, disclaimer, I took a chance on putting a texturizer on my head, and if you apply a texturizer to your head, these are the chances that you're willing to take. Now, you have to, be the judge of your own hair. You know your hair texture and things of that nature. But I am just going to give you clarification on some of the things I have experienced and some of the things I took into consideration when thinking about applying a texturizer to my hair. Okay, let's talk about long or short hair. Like I said, guys, know what you're doing when you are applying a texturizer to your hair and what the long-term goal is if you have thought it through. Now, if you have long hair and you want to put a texturizer in it, we all know that when we apply any type of process to our head, that the scalp part is going to start processing first because the heat that comes from your scalp is going to make that texturizer process first. So if you have longer hair, what I would do is I would start at the ends of my hair. I would not go to my root. I would just start on the outer, ends of my hair and apply it that way. And once I have applied it that way, I will wait a little bit once you comb it through and then apply it to your roots because your roots is going to process faster. Okay? Now, if you have shorter hair, okay, that's fine. You could just, you can do the same process, but me, I just go to my root and then I comb it through and I let it sit for 7 minutes. And it turns out pretty good for me. Now, my hair is not real coarse, but I have a very, very tight curl. That is one of the reasons why I decided to do a texturizer in the first place, because I did not like how tight my curl was. I wanted it looser. So when you apply a texturizer to your hair and your curl is like this, the longer that you leave it in, the more that curl is going to release. And it takes around 7 minutes to apply and for the process to take. In all, don't put it on and then start counting 7 minutes. No, to put it on and let it process for me is 7 minutes. Now, if you have coarser hair, you have to figure out what you want to do. And what I mean by that, okay, the strength of the texturizer. Because I want time to apply this texturizer to my hair, I use regular strength texturizer. I don't want to use something really strong because then it's going to start taking immediately. My curls is not going to come out even. So with a regular strength texturizer, it allowed me to apply it, comb it through, and let it work. Okay? So that does matter as far as the strength in the texturizer that you choose, okay? That matters. And we all know to use a neutralizing shampoo to stop the process of any texturizer, okay? So let's just make that clear. So as you go on, you'll learn, how long it takes for your hair, to take and where you want your curl pattern to be, Now, the other thing that I want to talk to you guys about is combination. That's why I say please have a plan, guys. Please take the time to really think this through. If you have combination hair, like you have 4C over here, 4A over here, you have a rough patch in the middle, a soft patch here, then you have to figure out where you're going to start that process at. Because if your hair is softer here but more rough here, if you started here, this is going to be straighter and your curl pattern is not going to come out even. We have a lot of women that says they have, two different, combination hair textures in the head. So you have to figure out for yourself, where would you start? Where would you start that texturizer? And for some reason, people think that they have to do a texturizer all over their head. And you don't. You don't. But we'll get there. We'll get there. Okay, guys? So, like I said, if you have combination hair, I would not put the texturizer on the softer curl first. I will put it on the more rough texture of my hair first. And then towards the end, then I will put it on the softer texture to try to make that curl become, cohesive all through your head. Okay? So let's look at another question. Okay, guys, look at here. I don't know about you guys, but when I decided to do a texturizer on my head, I had to figure out, what did I like more? Did I like the color, or did I like the texturizer? Okay, because some people hair can't take both, So for me, when I do a texturizer, because I would rather have a texturizer than a color. If I had to really choose, I would rather do my texturizer than a color. But I have options as well as you. All right, when I need to color my hair, but I need a texturizer, I would use a rinse. You guys have seen me do a Beijing rinse 1,000 times. I would use a rinse. That way I don't have to worry about, mixing, chemicals and, damaging my hair if I'm doing a texturizer. Now, sometimes I will do a box color. And the reason for that is, when I do a rinse on my hair, of course, I'm always moisturizing my hair, wetting my hair. So the rinse is not going to last as long as a regular box color. But like I said, a texturizer is more important to me than a box color. So I will put a rinse on my hair when I'm doing a texturizer at the same time, okay? So I'll texturize my hair and then I'll follow up with a rinse. I have done videos on that. And as time goes on, maybe 3 weeks down the line, that's for me, I will then do a box color. I like to do Natural Black by Dark and Lovely, and then I will do a box color. And that's the way I do my hair if I need to do a box color to make the color last longer. But like I said, you have options. If you're the type of person that likes to texturize your hair or process your hair and do the color, well then that's on you, because you will learn if your hair can take that or not. Me, I'm not chancing it. I'm not doing that. Okay, so what else? So for me, I'll choose between a texturizer or a color, and that's the way, I make up my mind on what I want to do, Now we're going to talk about how often. Please listen up, guys. Please listen up. How often should you texturize your hair? Okay? I would say wait as long as you can. But it can be tricky, okay? And the reason why I'm saying that is, once you texturize your hair, you're going to love the texture of your hair, the softness of the curl, how easy it is to manage and things like that if you do it right, okay? And you're going to be looking for that even when your hair grow. Well, I'm going through something like that now. I'll probably elaborate on it a little bit later in the video. But I would say, guys, while you're enjoying your new texturizer, try products that is going to transform your hair, soften up your natural curl as it grows out of your scalp, okay? And then that will allow you to prolong the texturizer, because if your hair is like this and you texturized it and you're ready for another texturizer, but it only went to there, I can assure you, in most cases, if you get any texturizer on the already processed hair, it's going to straighten out. So really what you want to do is get enough new growth to where you have clearance to just apply that texturizer to that hair, the new growth, and then, you know, process it that way. Because you're running the risk of damaging your hair really bad and having spikes. Because if you already processed the hair and some more texturizer get on it, you're gonna have spikes, okay? Now, if you wear short hair like me, I'm forever cutting my hair, guys. I'm forever cutting my hair, so especially around here, especially around the sides and the back. So for me, I can texturize my hair more often on the sides and the back because I cuts it off and keep it short like that. Now in the top, I may not even put a texturizer, you know, in the top of my head. I just may do the sides, and that's what I was saying, you know, to you earlier. Have a plan. Why would I put texturizer on the top and I didn't cut that off when I, you know, just got new growth around the sides and the back? So, makes sense? Makes sense. Now, while we're talking about this texturizer, guys, hit that like button, thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, guys, because you are awesome. You are the reason why my channel is growing, and that's why I bring you great videos, okay? So, hit that thumbs up button, like button, and subscribe button. And also, guys, anything that I don't address in this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and you know I am going to answer you back, okay? Okay. Now, as far as what I'm doing with my head, let me tell you, one of my subscribers asked, what do my hair look like before a texturizer? And guys, I have been experimenting with my hair. And I have not texturized my hair. I'm letting my hair grow out, and I do not mind that at all. Trust me, I don't mind that at all, because like I said, I am experimenting with my hair. My hair is, like I said, not a rough texture. It's just a tight curl. And I know if I have new growth and then I have, you know, texturizer on the end, my hair don't like that. So what I am trying to do is see what products will transform your hair, okay? Now I have been trying rosemary water, Hawaiian silk, and, you know, and things of that nature. And I'm telling you, the roots of my hair is so healthy. The roots of my hair is, you know, is growing. So I'm gonna try to get closer so maybe you'll see the different textures in my hair. I only have a little bit of, I would say, texturizer here. Let me see if I can turn to the side. I don't have any texturizer like in here, guys. And like I said, my hair was growing, and it was growing with the texturizer, but I wanted to see if I can get my new growth hair to soften up with the products that I'm using. Because like I said, I like texturizing my hair, but I want to be able to have a product that's going to make my natural curls softer when I need that time gap between touch-ups, okay? So that's why I'm experimenting with my hair and trying to see what my hair will do, because that will allow me to know what the next step is to take. You guys be asking me about products. Now I'm gonna tell you right now, I show you the products, guys, that work on my hair. I don't know the texture of your hair, so that is going to be a learning process for you. Use a product until it's gone to give it a chance to work on your hair, okay? And if it's not doing what you want it to do, then okay, move on to another product. Now, like I said, I have made videos on the products that I absolutely love and works on my hair. And you can try those products out, and then leave in the comment section down below if these products work for you. So guys, if anything else come to mind on how I can help you through the process of texturizing your hair, if you're thinking about texturizing your hair, like I said, leave it in the comment section down below, and guys, I will answer you back. So until next time, guys, good luck if you decide to process your hair. You have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. hit the notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later. Mwah. I'm here when you need my voice.